Welcome to Elder's Quest, the place where wisdom meets wellness, and every new day is an opportunity to live better, age stronger, and shine brighter. If you're over 60, or you love someone who is, you're exactly where you need to be. After 60, every single morning is more than just the start of a day. It's life whispering, "You're still here. Make it count." But here's the surprising truth. The little things we do right after waking up, before coffee, before breakfast, even before a single thought, can silently drain our energy, happiness, and yes, even years from our lives. But here's the good news. Fixing it doesn't require expensive routines or secret formulas. The wisdom to change your mornings and your life is already inside you. Today, we're unlocking it. In this video, we're diving into the 5 most common morning mistakes people over 60 make, and how these small changes can create massive impact. Then, we'll uncover 10 life lessons only years and heart can teach you. Stick around, because this just might reshape the way you live your days. Before we begin, hit that subscribe button and support Elder's Quest. Together, we're building a community where aging isn't something to fear, it's something to celebrate. Let's start with the 5 sneaky morning traps that are stealing your joy. Number 1. Skipping breakfast. Many people say, "I'm just not hungry in the morning," and that might have worked in your 30s. But after 60, your metabolism slows, your blood sugar dips faster, and your body starts the day already running on empty. Skipping breakfast may seem harmless, but it can cause foggy thinking, low mood, and even increase your risk of falls due to dizziness or fatigue. What should you do? Give your body gentle, nourishing fuel. Something simple like warm oatmeal with fruit, a slice of whole grain toast with avocado, or a protein-rich smoothie. You're not just feeding your stomach, you're fueling your life. Number 2. Checking your phone first thing. You wake up, reach for the phone, and boom, news alerts, politics, texts, tragedies. It's like inviting chaos into your bedroom before you've even said good morning. Phones are powerful tools, but in the wrong moment, they're digital stress bombs. And for seniors, that morning hit of stress can raise cortisol levels, increase anxiety, and throw off your mood for the whole day. Instead, try this. Take just 30 phone-free minutes. Stretch, breathe, sip warm water. Let the morning meet you gently before the world barges in. Number 3. Not moving or stretching. Those stiff joints? They're not a sign of weakness. They're your body saying, "Don't forget me." As we age, our circulation slows, muscles tighten, and joints need a little extra love. If your morning starts with sitting in silence or staying in bed too long, you're missing a golden opportunity to activate your body and mind. Even 5 minutes of light movement, neck rolls, shoulder circles, knee lifts, a walk to the porch, can change how you feel all day. Morning movement isn't a chore, it's a gift to your future self. Number 4. Coffee on an empty stomach. That rich hot coffee smells like heaven. But if it's the first thing your stomach meets, it might be doing more harm than good. As we age, our digestive systems become more sensitive. Coffee on an empty stomach can irritate the gut lining, spike acidity, and increase cortisol, your body's stress hormone. Here's a better way. Start with a small breakfast, fruit, toast, even a banana. Then enjoy your coffee as a treat. Think of it as a warm dessert after your body's been gently awakened. Number 5. Starting the day without intention. After 60, you've earned the right to guide your days, not just react to them. Yet so many people wake up and immediately slip into routine, news, chores, distractions, without pausing to check in with their soul. What if you took just 2 minutes each morning to ask, what would make today meaningful? Whether it's writing down one thing you're grateful for, praying, meditating, or just breathing deeply, it centers you. It gives your day direction and heart. So now that your mornings are getting stronger, let's zoom out. Because what you've gained over the years isn't just age, it's experience. And experience is the mother of wisdom. 10. Life lessons you only understand after 60. Number 1. Health is everything. You could have the biggest house, a loving family, and a deep bank account. But if your body breaks down, everything else fades. Seniors understand. Protect your health like it's the crown jewel of your life. Because it is. Number 2. Time is your true wealth. At 30, you chase money. At 60, you cherish moments. You start noticing how fast it all moves, and you become intentional. You stop wasting hours on things that don't matter, and start investing in the ones that do. Number 3. Letting go is a superpower. That argument from years ago, that regret you've carried since you were young, it no longer serves you. Letting go isn't weakness, it's wisdom. It's choosing peace over pride. Number 4. Small moments are the big ones. A sunrise, a phone call from your child, laughter with a friend. These aren't fillers in life's story, they are the story. And when you slow down, you finally see it. Number 5. People matter more than possessions. You can't take your car, your clothes, or your vacation home with you, but memories, hugs, shared tears, and belly laughs, those are eternal. Invest in people, always. Number 6. Worry changes nothing. All those years of stressing about what might happen, most of it didn't. And all that worry, it only hurt you. Seniors learn. The only thing worry solves is how to ruin a good night's sleep. Let it go. Number 7. Purpose doesn't retire. Your job may have ended, but your value? Never. You still have stories, skills, love, and wisdom this world desperately needs. You're not done. In fact, you might just be getting started. Number 8. Love grows deeper over time. Young love is fire, but older love, it's warmth, trust, and presence. It's not flashy, it's steady, and it's built through time, trials, and tenderness. Number 9. Forgiveness is for you. You think forgiveness means excusing someone. It doesn't. It means setting yourself free. Carrying anger is like dragging a weight, one that only hurts you. Let go. Choose light. Number 10. The best days might still be ahead. Who said life peaks at 40? Many people find their deepest joy, their real voice, and their truest calling after 60. Don't count years, count meaning, and keep dreaming. If you've made it this far in life, you've already won battles most people never talk about. And now, you're being called to live with even more purpose, peace, and presence. Avoid those tiny morning mistakes, because they're not so tiny after all, and embrace the massive lessons life has whispered into your heart. Because every single morning you wake up is not just a gift, it's a second chance. If this message touched your heart, please share it with someone you love. Let them feel seen, let them feel heard, and most importantly, let them know they're not alone. Hit subscribe and be part of Elders Quest. We're building a space where aging is powerful, purposeful, and beautiful. Because your journey isn't over, it's evolving, and the next chapter might just be the best one yet.